Make some noise for Sizzla Kalonji! Yeah, what the man will have this for us here? Everything like free, big on the people in my New York, come Brooklyn and Queens, that you know for me to be here, the machine them clean. How you feeling? Pull up, next shot, what the man will I for us here? Joe, me not come to waste time this morning, you know. Alright, press up right up again. Them more than fighting, see you a drive. Don't be never looked at the youth from the eyes. I'll treat our people maximum respect all over the world. Well, I'm Mr. Percy's job. I'm Mr. Purple. Pause. All who believe in the Almighty, one hand in the air and say, Jah. Next track selector. Mountains on a boat, I rose up. So is a person I see I queens. Like mountains on a boat, I rose up. Hey, so is a person I see I signals and leaders, you perfect in call markets. Hey, when I balance it the people come first. I know the money and God and the God that's spoken to them. Come and say, there's nothing in the system. Always separating us. Hey, the kids is like they know that. The end class and it's fun. They pretend like a garrison. I got this girl and my dog, she's so beautiful. Two brother, we go serve in the Rapperflex. Yeah, the birth girl serve same way. I want you to look at them cheese. Yeah, some seems so nice. Bring up the number, we sing till police side in a blue light out at door. I saw Lutan Fyah, alright? You, yeah, what? I got this girl and my dog, she's so beautiful. Sit up in the way I am going me the way I am on top. Every time they should need my life ahead. I'm missing you! You remember the one I did? Bobby Chadwick! Bobby up, now I got the M-Chad! Eva, you're right! But who's fine, huh? There's no Sapuya! You know, we can't hear everybody. Sing the floor down, mash up the place up. Reasoning try to mix with people would say better than man as there is and girl, and you know, so that's it I say, why don't it have to be? Wait, I'll tell you, just wanna know, pull up. I got something to say. Make yourself free. Bless it.
Abazor, we want to present Sizzla on behalf of IWTV with our lifetime award. I want to thank you for the impact you have made in your music. Your music has educated, edified, and inspired a whole generation. So Sizzla, present to you this original artwork created by Ato Heartman, the son of Jamaica's greatest visual artist, Ras Daniel Heartman. Thank you.
Much respect, more love and blessing. Hold up, you want to take more picture with it, brother. Make it go and stay there, son. If they want to take you away, they can take you away now. Put it there, son. Make it rush there, son. Let it go, let it go. Let me deal with the Jamaican style. Excuse me. Right. What do you matter last time, on behalf of the nation, you know what I'm saying, worldwide, straight out of Jamaica, Ethiopia, Africa, I want to say thank you very much for presenting me with such beautiful and noble award, alright? Right, Seneca, what are you doing? Thank you very much. Right? Hey, my people, yeah, you can't step it up. I want to step it up. Alright, now start it up. And the mission comes in there now. Now you bring the number shot to 12 child. After that, small of the enemy. So that's the Judah Captain people, repatriation. Hey. All of my people and all of us.
Thank you so much for watching I Never Knew TV.
Please subscribe, comment, like, share.